If your HP Slim S01 Desktop includes a built-in optical drive, you can easily use it to read CDs, DVDs, or install software from disks. Even though many modern computers rely on downloads and USB storage, the CD/DVD drive is still useful for accessing older media, backing up files, or playing physical movies and music. Learning how to properly open the drive, insert the disk, and access it through your computer ensures the drive works smoothly and prevents damage to both the disk and the tray mechanism. Try these. Step 1. Press the small eject button on the front of the desktop's optical drive to open the tray. Step 2. Place your CD or DVD into the tray, with the label side facing upward. Step 3. Gently push the tray back in or press the eject button again to close the drive. Step 4. On your computer, open File Explorer and select the DVD drive from the list of devices. Step 5. Double-click the disk icon to view files, play media, or install programs from the disk.